Welcome back to Bigfoot Journeys. It's just after sunrise in Kenya's Amboseli National Park, and we're greeted by one of Africa's most spectacular sights, Mount Kilimanjaro, glowing in the morning light. After grabbing a quick cup of coffee and my second muffin, because a mischievous monkey stole the first one, we're heading out on an early morning game drive, with the mountain putting on a rare show and Amboseli's famous giant Tusker elephants already on the move. This is shaping up to be one unforgettable safari. Let's go! Amboseli is known around the world as the Land of Giants, home to some of Africa's most magnificent elephants. Thanks to decades of protection and research, many of these gentle giants have grown to incredible ages, allowing their tusks to become massive enough to nearly touch the ground. Seeing them wander across the dusty plains with snow-capped Kilimanjaro rising behind them is one of Africa's most iconic safari moments. It's no wonder photographers and wildlife lovers travel from every corner of the globe just for a chance to witness these legendary elephants in their natural habitat. These herds are built around strong family bonds, led by experienced matriarchs who guide and protect generations of their relatives. The youngest calves stay close, surrounded by watchful mothers, aunts, and siblings who help raise and defend them. Watching these gentle giants travel throughout the savanna reminds us that elephants are not just powerful animals. They are deeply social families with memories, relationships, and a remarkable connection to their home, Amboseli. time to leave the dust of the savanna behind, enjoy a delicious breakfast, and take a well-deserved break before our afternoon adventure. But in Amboseli, even a quiet moment at the lodge can come with a surprise visitor or two. There's the bed. We just got back from a morning game drive and after eating breakfast, so we got some time to kill till the afternoon game drive. We're preparing to go out and take a walk. Way out there in the distance, there's a bunch of elephants. We have our little front porch here. And the door, we need to keep locked all times because the monkeys can open up the door. Okay, you talk.
Okay, here we are.
Here we are.
In front of our cabin room.
Here's our cabin room at Ol Tukai in Amboseli.
Yep.
Our lodging for our home for this evening. Trying to open our window. Back to the room. Time to get ready for lunch, I guess. I'm not even hungry though. Here we have an elephant straight out from our room. After an unforgettable morning beneath the shadow of Mount Kilimanjaro, it's time to slow down, enjoy the peaceful side of safari. We'll spend the afternoon relaxing at Ol Tukai Lodge, taking in the views, cooling off by the pool, and recharging for what comes next. But Amboseli has a way of saving her best surprises for later. As the sun begins to lower over the savanna, we'll head back out in search of more incredible wildlife encounters. Join us for our afternoon game drive, where the magic of Amboseli continues. Thanks for watching.